All right, protesting farmers say that they will only vacate borders after farm laws are formally repealed by the parliament in the session. They're also demanding a legislation on MSP now. Let's have a look.
Celebrations with jalebis and a havan. Dance, dhol, dhamaka. Over 15 months after farmers took to the streets in protest of the 3 farm laws, they've got what they wanted.
पूरे देश को ये बताने आया हूं कि हमने 3 कृषि कानूनों को वापस लेने का, रिपील करने का निर्णय लिया है। मैं विश्व भर में
Prime Minister Modi delivered a gigantic Guru Purab gift to India's Kisan. And farmers are buzzing with joy.
आज पहले प्रधानमंत्री जी को एहसास हुआ कि किसान अपनी जगह पर सही था और उन्हें किसानों की जीत है। ये जीत हमेशा एकता की या सत्य की जीत होनी चाहिए। बड़ी खुशी की बात।
From Amritsar to Kanpur, farmers echoed their support for the move to repeal the farm laws.
ये तस्वीरें आप देख सकती हैं। मेरे ठीक पीछे ट्रैक्टर खड़ा हुआ है, ट्रैक्टर पर डीजे बज रहा है और डीजे पर जो सॉन्ग चल रहे हैं, जो गाने चल रहे हैं, ये किसानों के गाने हैं और ऐसा लग रहा है कि वाहेगुरु ने आज कहीं ना कहीं अपने आशीर्वाद के रूप में उस लंबे संघर्ष पर विराम लगवाया है जो कि किसान एक लड़ाई के रूप में लड़ रहे थे।
So will farmers finally go home? Farmer unions are saying they will wait till the laws are formally repealed in the parliament.
वापसी लेने की प्रधानमंत्री ने घोषणा करी है, लीगल रूप से भी नहीं हुआ।
तो क्या आपका आंदोलन चलता रहेगा?
जारी रहेगा हमारा आंदोलन। भाई बातचीत होगी और बहुत मसले हैं, बैठ के बात हुई नहीं, घोषणा कर दी, हम घर चले जाए, ऐसे कैसे चले जाएंगे?
The Prime Minister's announcement will also mean that a year on, Delhi's borders will finally clear up.
We come to you from the Singhu border, the Singhu village there, which is broken up into a bhangra of sorts. Sweets are being distributed, as you can see right there. Laddus are being distributed right here. There is a sense of jubilation which is taking place.
So farmers are gathered here as usual at the Tikri border, and they are saying that currently this is the situation and we're not going to leave until and unless we hold a meeting with our unions as well.
They are still a little doubtful about whether the government will on the floor of the parliament repeal the 3 laws or not. Until that time, all the farmers will keep on sitting on all the major borders across the national capital. However, farmers still see this as a sign of their victory.
It's been a long fight for our Kisan, and their year-long dharna has finally yielded results. But farmers say they will vacate their protest sites when the deal is sealed, when the laws are repealed in Parliament. With Shweta Singh, Satyendra Chauhan, Aishwarya Paliwal, Milan Sharma and Himanshu Mishra. Bureau Report, India Today.